In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove same color backgrounds in Photoshop, perfect for beginners who are just starting to explore the wonders of digital editing. So let's dive right in and start by importing your image into Photoshop. Now you might be wondering the best way to import. Simply open Photoshop, go to the File menu at the top left of your screen, and click on Open. Then navigate to where your image is stored on your computer. Once selected, click Open, and your image will appear on the canvas, ready for editing. Now, let's move on to making a selection. To do this, you'll use the Selection tool, which is located in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You can choose tools such as the Magic Wand or the Quick Selection tool, both of which are quite intuitive, especially when dealing with solid color backgrounds. Simply click on the area you want to select, and Photoshop will do its best to guess the boundaries. If you want to add to the selection, hold down the Shift key and click Other Areas. If you need to subtract from it, hold Alt or Option on a Mac. Once your background is selected, it's time to create a mask. This is a crucial step in isolating your foreground subject while making the background transparent. Look to the bottom of your Layers panel and click on the little rectangle with a circle in the middle. That's your Add Layer Mask button. What this does is mask out the area you have selected, essentially hiding it without deleting it from your image. This gives you a non-destructive way to edit just in case you want to make further changes later on. Now that you have your mask, let's proceed to create a solid color layer for your background. Go ahead and click on the New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Solid Color from the options that pop up. You'll be prompted with a color picker. You can either choose a new hue that fits better with your theme or just use white or transparent if you're looking for a clean slate. Once you've made your choice, click OK and your new background will appear behind your masked subject. With these steps, you've learned how to effectively remove a same color background and customize it to your liking using Photoshop. It's an incredibly useful skill to have in your editing toolkit, perfect for projects like social media graphics or professional presentations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different images and color settings to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.